Today, we will walk through the fan fold method to store a loop-lock safety cover. First, unhook the springs from the anchors and allow the cover to lay flat on the water. Decide which side to fold the cover on and make sure the anchors are down to avoid snags. Always fold along the width of the pool rather than the length. With 2 people, pull the end of the cover onto the deck, about 6 feet from the pool. Walk to the next set of straps, pull up, and fan fold that section on top of the section on the deck. Repeat with each set of straps until the cover is fully removed and fan folded on one side of the pool. Fold the cover in half multiple times until it's about 4 feet by 2 feet, leaving the springs and buckles attached. Carefully slide the cover into the loop-lock storage bag, close it up, and store it in a safe, dry place for the off-season. It is best to either hang the storage bag off of the floor or store the cover in a large plastic storage bin to prevent rodents from nesting inside the cover. We always recommend fan folding versus other methods because it makes installing the cover easier in the spring because you can just walk it across the pool. If you need help with cover removal, contact your local pool professional.